piece of cake. Going down?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another ultra-exclusive evening of Meta Brawl Glamour Slam. My name is Roulette, and I make the rules. Prepare to see the biggest, baddest, superpowered struggle for dominance that it has ever been my pleasure to present. A no-holds-barred fight between two legendary ladies of the league. Fire! The blistering babe from Brazil, and the sultry siren of the Sonic Smackdown, the undefeated queen of the Glamour Slam, Black Canary! Place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. Let the pain